This video explains how to set the time and date on your GMA-S2100 watch. Hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. In timekeeping mode, hold down the adjust button until set indicator disappears from the display to start the setting mode. Now, choose your home city from the list using the light button and start button. Press mode button to set the daylight saving time for the selected city. Toggle the DST setting between on and off using the start button. Select the time display format setting by pressing the mode button. And toggle the display format between 12-hour and 24-hour format using the start button. You can select the second setting by pressing the mode button. Reset the second to 0 by pressing the start button. Now, press the mode button to select the hour setting. And adjust the hour using the start button and light button. Similarly, use the mode button to choose the minute setting. And adjust the minutes using the start button and light button. Press the mode button to select the year setting. And use the start button and light button to adjust the year. Similarly, use the mode button to choose the month setting. And use the start button and light button to set the month. Now, pressing the mode button will select the day setting. The desired day can be set using the start button and light button. Choose the button operation tone setting by pressing the mode button. You can toggle the setting between on and off using the start button. Set the illumination duration by pressing the mode button. Use the start button to toggle the light duration between 1.5 and 3 seconds. Once the settings are the way you want, press the adjust button to exit from setting mode to timekeeping mode. The day of the week is displayed automatically in accordance with the date. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe to GShock Middle East YouTube channel and like our videos.